Here's a demo on how to register for ANCOP Walk 2021. So in your browser, type ancopusa.org, hit enter, wait for the website to load. There you go, and over at the upper right corner, there's an ANCOP Walk link or button. You can click on that and brings you to the ANCOP USA Walk website. Down here are FAQs for the registration and for the app that we will be using. But for now, let's register. Click on that register link, and this should be a familiar website. Click on register button. You can enter your username and password if you remember, but if you don't, there's a link here for forget your username. Put in your email address or username, hit submit, and we should be sending you an email on how to retrieve your password. Or you can also create a new account if you're a new user. Just hit this button in here, and then you should be able to create a new account. But like I said, if you remember, so let's put in my username and password. And then click sign in button. Here you can go through the list of chapters in your area, or the easier way would be to type the state where you're from. In this case, New Jersey. I'll click the specific chapter that I belong to, hit the next button, and you see the consent and waiver form. Read that and click the I agree checkbox. Click the next button. And then here you'll see adult is $20. Youth is $12 for 12 to 18. Child 1 below 12 if they're using their phone to track their miles. If not, then it's just $7. So you pick that accordingly. So for now, let's pick adult. So I'm registering myself. Click the next button. And here is the contact information. It should be filled in already because I'm not a user, so the email address is there as well as the username and password. Click next. In here you can indicate your fundraising goal, or if you want to donate also you can put a specific amount, how much you want to donate. And here's the permission, whether you want to allow ANCOP to contact you by mail or email, and if you allow the general public to donate in your page, or if you want to be on the scoreboard. Now we pick what ministry you belong to. You can be a a non-CFC member. For now, I'll pick CFC. That's my ministry, and I'll also pick the size of the shirt. If you need to add another registrant, maybe your family member, your kids, or your friend, you can do that. Click on add other registrant. Put their name there. Then you can click use my address if it's your kid who's living with you. You can use the same address. There you go. And for the email address, you can use their email address, or they can also use the same email address as yours. Please take note, and this is very important, that if this additional registrant intends to use the Walk app, you need to specify a different email address here because the My Virtual Mission app requires it. So please take note of that. There's also permission questions. The second checkbox is mandatory for the waiver. And if he's doing his own fundraising, you'll have to check the first checkbox. The last one for the to be in the fundraiser scoreboard. And so for this one, it's a youth. So I'll pick that one, 12 to 18 years old. Again, we'll have to pick the ministry that he belongs to, in this case, CFC Youth. So I'll pick that. The size of the shirt, pick again. And then if I don't need to add any other participant, I'll just hit continue. If I need to add another, just hit the add another. For this one, I'm just gonna hit continue. So you see it has been added in there. Again, if I need to add some more registrant, then I can do that there. So I'll click next, and this is the screen for your payment, where you're gonna put your credit card information. So the type of credit card, for this time, Visa. You put your credit card number in there, and obviously this is not a real credit card number, just for demo. And then you put your CVV as well, and then you put your card holder name exactly as how it appears on your credit card. Put the expiration month and the expiration year, and then hit next. And then you're ready to pay, and just click the I'm not a robot. Pretty sure you're not. So hit the process my payment. And then here, this is the part where you can customize your fundraising page. So it already has a default message. You can put videos and images if you want to. Then let's hit continue registration. And then if you want to start fundraising, you can actually email your some of your friends or family. You can pick the default uh, subject line, or you can have a personalized one. For now, let's pick the default one. You can put the email addresses. Uh, if more than one, you can just separate it by comma or semicolon. And if there's a default email there, you can just use that, and you can send it right away. And then let's skip this for now. And then that's it. Congratulations, you are now registered and ready to join ANCOP Walk 2021. Good luck.